So, so first of all, I want to thank Shako for making this thing possible. This is really valuable information that is going through, and we attending in this session is very fantastic. Appreciate really. We will just a second. So as we are running out of time, we will keep it as brief as possible, not to tire you. So it's me and Nurlan. So we are co-founders of ERP Go, and this is our agenda. So our main goal today is to share our experience, what we have gone through in ERP Go for these 2 years, and yeah, and also to show you how to start your company infrastructure with lower investment to run it on low cost. And later on, we will talk about, Nurlan will actually show you our ERP Go cloud infrastructure, and we'll go into details. We'll show you the details. And also then we will show you the matching of the Odoo, which is an open source ERP solution with the Kubernetes. And we will show it by example as well. And if we have time, we will then show you some live demo of it. And at the end, we have the prize lottery. So please go and add your name in the attendee list. Then we will pick up 5 prize winners at the end. Okay? So I'm handing it over to Nurlan. Nurlan, please go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Do you hear me? You should.
Yes, yes. You can take control actually.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Nurlan, and we are doing this with Jimshut just to share our experience because we didn't have time to do a lot of open source contribution, but at least we can share our experience. Maybe some startups and they can get any idea and use it. And please don't hesitate if you have any other question, because we will not show you of course everything, but we are open for any kind of question. And also thanks Shako and Burhan Haji also for their support. Okay, let's get started. Can you?
Yeah, you just.
Okay,
yes.
great.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Okay, great. So here you see, guys, our let's say main components of cloud infrastructure. So we are hosted on Google Cloud Platform, and as you can see, which components we use for now from the cloud, which is Cloud DNS, Cloud Load Balancing, Stackdriver, and Cloud Storage. So Stackdriver is for monitoring. Storage we use for mainly backup and restore, and DNS is obvious, so balancing also obvious. So let's get it more deep, and the main component is of course Google Kubernetes Engine. What's the benefit of to using Google Cloud? That from our experience we can say that they basically it's managed Kubernetes cluster, and you don't pay for the master nodes, you only pay for worker nodes, and it saves you money. So you pay only what how many services workloads you have, and all are running. So it's like a one side of the picture, because there are not couple of any component inside the cluster, but we will show you the main components, not to repeat. So as you see, we have Odoo as a company ERP system, and the backend, and the main point is like whatever we are using, it's everything is open source. It's just to save money basically, and we are trying to use our skills only to scale and to get a budget and so on. So if you see any missing components, it means that we don't have budget for it and time maybe. So you can see here PostgreSQL as a backend of our ERP system. And we have mail server for our users, employees. It's also based on the open source solutions and which use backend as a MariaDB. And you can have some small applications to control the infrastructure, admin tools, etc. And we have Velero here, which is, okay, Malik, just quick question. I'd like to get an answer in the end of document. Okay, so I don't know exactly what's benefit, but I am more, I have hands-on experience on Google Cloud, and we had this $300 free usage tier when we started, and we migrated twice, so it helped us to run our business 1 year for free in the cloud. And that's basically was quite a big reason for us to use GCP. And let's move on. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Can
yeah.
you? Okay. Sorry. Let's continue. And we use Velero. It's an open source Kubernetes, like a microservice solution for backup. It has many adapters with different kind of cloud options, and we use for cloud storage. And what else? So we have, of course, that's it for now for our workloads. Another main component is Nginx Ingress. Thanks to the speakers, we had a lot of, I learned a lot from others really during these 2-day sessions. And yes, we use also Nginx Ingress for load balancing, and we use Cert Manager for automatically getting the validated certificates. And it comes from Let's Encrypt, the validation, and it use our Cloud DNS against validation goes against our Cloud DNS. If you have question, like no problem.
I think we have some questions.
Okay, let's see.
Some things are going. Can you go here just a second? Oops, chat.
No, there is no questions.
Okay, it's just Malik. Yeah.
Wait a second.
Okay.
I already answered.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Just can you go back?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks, mate. Okay. So we use basically what money you can save. We use for whole our infrastructure only one external IP address. And basically Kubernetes gives you this great option, and Nginx controller also. Even for mail server, we use only one IP address because it saves you money. Every external IP address costs for you in cloud. And we have only one, all our outgoing mails goes through SendGrid, which is like a SaaS option for filtering the emails and delivering them and analytics and so on. For now, I think we are done with this slide. We can go to the next. Okay.
No, this one. Yeah.
So we have just simple, we made up for just to make it interesting. Odoo plus Kubernetes equal to magic. What we are meaning here, they both has separate features like which, for example, Kubernetes and if they combine, we can have really good and fast solutions. And we think that it's beneficiary, so we decided to share with you, and we will give some example also. So Odoo is also open source, and it's modular. It's based on the backend, based on the Python. And Odoo has good GUI options which you can, for example, design your email templates via drag and drop. You don't deal with the, for example, formatting, writing XML like a code. You can just design, then use this template. And it has email integration, which you can send to your partners already, which you have, like you are using with different services. You can sell anything, so you have partners. So you can send them easily emails to them. So it's modern web application. It has nice GUI design. So it's like that's why it's one of the main reasons that we chose to go with it. It's easy customizable. It has a lot of options like scheduled actions, automated actions from GUI. So you don't have to write everything in the backend. For example, you can, like if you forgot something in the code, you don't just, you can change it on the fly on the database. It has very, most of the events, you can choose just human readable, and it has also huge community support. And what Kubernetes gives us here? So Kubernetes gives us scalability. Like you don't, for example, we are providing ERP systems, but we have other services also. We are providing for friend companies, for maybe friends, and we just don't go somewhere. We deploy in our cluster, and if they want, for example, if our customer won't integrate their ERP system, it goes through the Kubernetes API. So it has Python client library, or also use Python. So it's really easy integrative. And Kubernetes gives you the fast deployment, which you can build really nice services through your open ERP. Like you can have application which deploys any other open source application, for example, WordPress, for example, any SaaS option based on open source, it could be. So you don't deal a lot with the front end. That's the Odoo gives you. Also, so what magic you can come up, you can mix up your business, as we told, like, and control from only one place. And you can integrate your services through Kubernetes API. We already told about that. And when you start up your business, it will give you a lot of money saving with development, with time. So you can immediately start with your idea, and also to build the SaaS services. It gives you great benefits, because Odoo already has customer portal, web controllers, which you can just extend the GUI and do your, like, run your logic, etc. So let's move on for the next slide.
Okay, so now let's see an example how this magic happens, right? So as Nurlan mentioned, we have been providing email service for some of our friend companies, and so they've been using it for almost a year now. But until up like 2 weeks ago, there wasn't any email reset functionality. It was only in the back end. Each time there was a need to reset an email, it was doing from by our side. So we decided to come up with some solution, and so we decided to use Odoo and Kubernetes, this magic synergy, I would say, yeah. So why? So how it happened is, from the Odoo side, it was a huge advantage because Odoo has a ready-to-use email notification functionality, which we were able to send the email notifications on the go, and it has a ready web controller, which actually enables you to build websites as well. And by means of it, we were able to build some forms some fill-in forms. And also this is modular. That's why you can build it as a separate module and then install it to any database. I mean, any auto database that you have. And in the Kubernetes side, so as Nurlan already mentioned, Kubernetes just gives you an opportunity through its integration functionality and scalability, and just the magic happened. And we we have every two semi-developers, and I would really not call myself semi-developer, even semi-developer, because I mean semi-developer maybe, yeah. So we did it in 1 week, and yeah, it was a fantastic job. And maybe it would be better if we show it some examples, some demo, yeah. So Nurlan, maybe you can share your screen and show some parts of this application that we built.
Okay,
Time,
just
yeah.
let me.
So for now, I'm pausing the share, and let me read the chat.
I cannot share my screen because you are sharing.
Oh,
probably.
okay. Sorry. Yeah. I think I stopped. I can pause. Okay, stop. Okay.
Okay, cool. So, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, it's just a demo instance of Odoo. I wanna just show you. We wanna show you just how it looks like when you create your own solution and mix up with others. Okay, if you see that here, we have like a small module. Actually, let me show you. It's okay. It's just really draft. I mean, but still you can check. Anyone is interested how we did it. Maybe there is something. It's just it's not in production. Just in to inform. And let's see. So when you install your repository, when you add this inside this like this mail reset folder inside your add-ons folder, and you will see here your application. And as you see here, you have CRM, for example. Oh, I pressed. So if we want CRM, we will just install CRM, but I shouldn't press it. Okay. Too much risk.
Okay, we forgive you, Nurlan.
Okay, so as you see, you have, for example, CRM, but also mail reset application. So it's just, it has two menus, like you have domain, you create your domain, which is, for example, ERP Go as, and you put here Kubernetes API and some ATPS, let's say some API, and API token, which requires, of course, some privileges and to do mail resetting function on your mail server database. And here we have a button like which checks for, okay, there is some bug. So which checks your API rights and it says success here. So then when you have a user, you can create your user, his recover mail address, username, let's say test user. Domain will not show up because it's not success status. So Wait a second. Okay. So it's just simple, which generates a token each time and gives 24 hours to this token and sends to the recovery email address of the user. And how user performs. For example, we will give user something like this URL, which they can put their email, for example, and submit. Then reset mail will send to his recovery if exists. And they will pop up like a new password, repeat password, and they will able to reset their password. So basically with this solution, we will not deal with the mail resetting again. That's it from my side.
Okay, all right. Let me reshare it. So, can you stop sharing? Okay, did you? Okay. So yeah, this is it basically. And at the end, we just want to share with you some examples of the open source ERPs, which you can go to this link and do a live demo for yourselves. Okay, these two, Dolibar and ERP Next, are with credentials which are mentioned below. And for using Odoo, you can just go to this link and check it out. Okay. Yeah, this is it. So, and yeah, and meanwhile, please go to the attendee list and go to the attendee list and add your names, please. And we're gonna play this prize competition in a few minutes. So right now we have 17. We have like around 30, I guess. So yeah. So guys, so we're gonna so our prize competition will be these cards. These are Odoo cards, but these are not only Odoo cards, I would say. These are the cards for learning the business processes. And these are based on 7 different cases where where actually you learn how to run your business, how to run different departments like the procurement, sales, like inventory, accounting. These cards are actually very very joyful, I would say, and also you're learning much, and also you learn Odoo as well. So we're gonna play this competition, and we'll pick up 5 lucky winners, and these lucky winners will win these cards. Okay. So,
I just want thank you so much for presentation, Cemşit and Nurlan, and just engage everybody. It's like happy hour started, conference is over. Just relax and turn your camera on if you can, and just chill.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so it's conference is over. Nothing shame. We are all look different. We don't have to scare. We are also wherever you are, and just I mean you can basically the number of people let us just you can turn my microphone and let's thank you so much for over 2 days being together with us, and hopefully you learn something, you enjoyed your time. Vusal, hey Bato, are you here? I think
Bring my name is there, Cemşit.
Is it there?
Yes, of course.
Yes, it's there.
Write it twice.
I think my name is not there.
So who?
Yes. I'm here.
How are you doing? I think my old friend from the Boxel, we were working together. So nice to meet you and see you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. With time.
I will make sure one of the gifts you will get. No worries.
Guys, so there are still some of you who have not added your names. So Shako, should we start?
I think that we have in attendance in day 1 also.
But
Oh.
we want people are here. I think we want people who are online.
Yeah, I think actually, yeah, they should
And
pay
we
off,
have
right?
enough. I think more people will get, because the people stayed. I think they stand that so long, and it will be fair also.
Okay,
them to get it.
so there are 17 people. Okay.
18. I'm missing.
Wait, you don't want me?
Okay, just go add yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
just send me the link. I just missed the link, man.
Malik.
Okay.
So if you want to select from
Malik,
the...
I can write. I can take for you. No worries.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Sakura,
yeah.
if we want to select from the attendance who is online here, let's just select from here. From your camera, from...
But I think, I don't know, like, I'm not sure if everybody's online. I think it's simple from this. It will be fair.
Okay.
It will be fair,
I think
because
so too,
number of
yeah.
changing, people are leaving and coming.
So yeah, I think now this is the final list, 19 people, right?
Vishal, are you here? Let me check.
Yes,
Vishal,
yes.
you are here?
Yes,
oh, no,
yes, I
did
can.
you write your name? I have to make sure. No, Vishal, hey, but I don't see
It's
Vishal.
only Visal Ismailov is here.
No,
I don't see your name.
So Ibeto is already joined. Come on.
Guys, have you shared the link?
Yeah, I shared the link. Vishal, I'm gonna add
Yeah,
your name, man.
guys, just go to this link and add your name.
Yeah, 1 second. Vishal, hey.
Shako,
yeah.
you cannot hear me?
We can hear you, but your name is missing. I just add your name in the...
If someone
list.
his name here or someone is from the phone, we can write for them.
Yeah, exactly. Anybody is willing, just can turn your microphone and tell us, or write in chat and we'll add you. Oh, okay. People are adding. Great.
Yeah, so there is one question here. So are you building the features according to customer needs, or are you trying to be proactive and building beforehand and introducing it to customer? So basically, Odoo is a ready-to-use product. So we are trying to offer it as it is, but when the customer has some extra needs, then we can adjust it accordingly. I hope it answers your question.
And Elvin Afandiev. Yeah. I'm adding. I think there is another question coming. How many team members do you need?
Do you have?
Do you need?
Yeah, we do need. But currently, there are 4 of us only. Yeah.
Viska, nice to see you.
But we are planning to get bigger. So
yeah. Nice, and they probably gonna first start looking in the Go channel. So
for sure,
watch
of
that.
course.
Yeah. So I think you can be proactive and just start talking to them and contributing. And once they have bigger project, which is most likely gonna happen because of so much stuff going around, and you will be the first they consider. So that's what happened. I did. I told you, my Italian friend, I did for him like 1 year free consulting, and now they're kind of begging me to just help them. I mean, it's amazing because they get some funding and stuff. That's how it happens. You just start being the part of the team. You start being friend, and then over the time, when there is opportunity, they will definitely move with you, grow with you. So good time to start for it. Yeah, basically.
Yeah. So I think this is it. So 24 people, right?
Yeah, 24.
Yeah. So let's go. There we go. So we will just generate random figure
from 24
to 24. So you ready? The first lucky
one
is.
First should be 1. First, let's start from 1.
7. Who is 7?
Azar Feyziev.
Yes,
okay. Congratulations, Azar.
Thank you.
Azar, are you here?
Highlight this.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm great.
Yeah.
We can take it for you.
Please
Okay.
write your email
Yeah, nice. Good job, man.
in front of
Got
it,
it.
so we can get your details. So the next number, let's see.
18.
7.
Oh man.
23.
23. Nice.
Elvin
Elvin.
Efendiyev.
Elvin.
Congratulations, Elvin.
723 is my lucky numbers, man.
Elvin,
Beckham's number.
you're in Canada, man. How are you gonna get it?
Is it physical gift or is it a
Yeah,
is
we'll
it
find
an
a way.
electronic gift?
Yes, it is.
Alvin is excited,
We
man.
will send you through the Amazon
I'm super
shipping.
excited. Yeah.
But make sure you keep doing contribution
Yeah, that's the key, right?
to keep you engaged.
So yeah, okay, guys, let's pick the next one. There we go. 15. Oh, Nabi.
Man, it's all the it's what the hell? No, Navi, you can't get it, man.
I think
No,
this
there is no bias,
pre-programmed.
guys. No
No,
bias.
Navi. Man, I mean, what left for the guys? Come on.
Shako, you will not get it for sure.
I wish. I mean,
So,
yeah.
so the next one is 12.
12.
Oh shit.
Shahin Nazarov. Congratulations, Shahin.
Can you hear us?
You here?
He's here.
He's
Oh,
online, I
He
think.
just said
Shahin.
shukran.
Yes. Okay,
Shahin?
Shahin, congratulations.
Can
Please,
you hear
guys,
us?
just write your emails in front of them.
Shahin, he's online.
that's-
Shahin?
Yes.
Yes,
He
yes,
he just
he
wrote in
wrote
the chat. Maybe he doesn't have a microphone or something.
Okay,
Yeah.
he
So
wrote. Okay,
the
we
last
got it.
one,
Perfect.
guys. So the last one. Let's see. And Oscar goes to
5 points.
Oh,
again, seven?
it's
No.
again. Generate
Azar
again.
gets 2 gifts. No, he doesn't. Let's pick it up again. Boom, boom.
Oh,
10.
10.
So Gabil Orujov.
Garib, we travel get one.
Yeah, I'm here for 2 days.
Yes. I
Yeah,
can get.
I'm happy.
I can get his gift.
No,
We travel get it.
I'm here.
So
So guys, congratulations.
I think
Thanks.
one we will do from the Gulf side. I think we have only one girl, Aygün Mamedova. I think will add from the Gulf side for her, if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Just
of
to
course.
yeah, I think so
Yeah,
many
we-
guys, and she's. Can you hear Aygün us? Hello. Aygün, can you hear us? Or you can write if you want.
Yeah.
And
Guys,
if you
just
don't
please-
mind, we will give you one
guys.
more.
I will have to leave. It was pleasure listening to everybody. It was fun. I have to leave. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Who is that? Sorry?
That's me, Garib. Yeah.
Oh, Garib, thank you so much, man, for your talk and for your 2 days joining us. We love you. Garib is hero, by the way. If you don't know, you have to know him. He's
Thank you, Garib.
based in
Good night.
for the community. He did a lot, and yeah, thank you, Garib, for
Thank you,
all
Garib.
your efforts. Thank you. And I think
Yeah, this is it. So Sako, thank you again. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
Thank you everyone who made some talk, who listened, who shared the knowledge. So these were very valuable talks. So I hope to have these kind of sessions in the future as well. Thanks everyone.
So
Cheers.
thank you again for joining. And again, this is just not more education. It's more meeting and making a friendship and building the projects like ERP Go and more having fun, more having
Yes.
friendship.
Thank you
So
all.
just
So be
thank you,
active.
Viska. Viska, you're getting old, man.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you very much.
It's what the coronavirus makes these people.
Yes. It's homemade conferences are doing.
Yeah, that's amazing. It was really nice to see you, Viska, again, and Ilgar, Habil, Gabil, Emin, Elvin, all you guys. It's really nice to see you and to meet you. I made so many friends over the globe, and we are one of
Yes.
them. And please reach anytime for any
Let's continue
related to
from the Slack channel.
yeah.
Yes.
Most of the people, including Nabi, I never seen that Emin, Gulev, and Elshad, all these people, and what we built so steady friendship, and including Malik and others, and Elvin and so on. This goes on, and it's really amazing to over the online. That's all new experience, but I think it's more and more from this. It's gonna be happening. So just let's get used to it. And
yeah,
it was nice to meet
there's
you.
more to come in your future.
Yeah.
I'm already planning for the next sessions as well. So just
Thanks,
like
Malik.
for
Thank you
people
so much.
who want to learn about data structures, algorithms, and stuff like that. Some
Amazing.
questions that people get stuck when they're asked into an interview. So we're going to help them like how to tackle with those questions as well. So it will be great fun.
And Malik is working based in TradeLink in Dubai. All these like guidance, working with these kind of people, it's really amazing to get started and contributing. And I have seen so much value, and people keep coming. And the one thing I really noticed, only the great people coming, and I think that's really nice that the senior people. GOB is more focused on the senior community that's currently there, and we are here for the juniors, helping for guiding and stuff, but really amazing to build that kind of friendship. So thank you so much for your time. And
to all.
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you everyone for
Thank
attending
you.
and organizing this beautiful session for 2 days. It has been very productive weekend so far.
Yeah, all will be in the GitHub. We'll put all the slides and session. Please go follow. And as I said, it's more also you have to do your homework. Go what you don't understand. Go check on the internet. If you still don't understand, these guys are on Slack. Just ping them directly. Whose session was it? And if you don't get response, just ping one of us. We will ask again one more time on your behalf. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
Cheers, guys.